you know the SRC members?
Do you think you know them well enough?
Well, not me. Do you?
No.
She's Ritra.
He's Alistair.
And we are from
IMU
Editorial Board.
Well, we've been interviewing all the SRC members in groups
And solo.
just to get to know a little bit about them.
Wait, what is an interview without juicy questions and secrets?
Exactly. Well, stay tuned to all our videos and we'll be posted up after we have edited, censored and
Filtering.
filtering. Exactly. So yeah, and where can you find our videos, Adam?
You can go to our website www.
Well, the link will be in the description below. So stay tuned and signing off from both of us.